So me and you, we just did hit 100k subscribers here on this channel. I had so many things in my mind that I was like, I'm gonna be saying this, I'm gonna be saying that, and when I'm finally supposed to say everything out, I don't know, I'm just not able to express myself that well. But yeah, I remember it was the 4th of July 2021 that I posted my first ever YouTube video. It was this study vlog. I was that kid who was so damn fascinated by all those foreign study YouTubers. मैं हमेशा उनको background में लगा के रख देती थी while I was just studying. 2021 में मैं 9th grade में थी, and then this one random day I just decided that why not I also like record myself जब मैं पढ़ रही हूँ, so that you know it just increases my productivity somehow. या फिर I'll just get this feeling that someone is watching over me and I have to sit and like study for long hours, and that is what brought me into this content space. I feel that is like the most beautiful thing about my journey, because I started from a point wherein I wasn't even sure about मुझे ये करना भी है या नहीं, and then you know इसी वजह से I didn't have a lot of expectations कि मेरे बहुत सारे subscribers हो जाएं, I get a lot of views or something like that. मैं बस randomly videos डालती थी, and then back then I just used to put up long videos. Now getting back there again, so 9th class happened. उस time पे lockdown था when I just posted my first video, and I so remember मेरे पहले एक या दूसरे video post करने के just बाद हमारे schools खुल गए थे, like everything was back to normal almost, and there was a phase wherein I was like, should I drop this idea, like will I be able to do it, because तभी मुझे कुछ भी नहीं आता था. I didn't knew editing, I didn't knew how to make these thumbnails, you know, I just used to see ideas on Pinterest and मैं बस उसको reciprocate करके कुछ तो turn out कर देती थी. मतलब I was this very creative person हमेशा से ही, so that kind of helped me a lot in like brainstorming कि मैं क्या नया करूँ और मैं क्या क्या कर सकती हूँ to you know make this more nicer. and धीरे धीरे ऐसे I got like very passionate about doing it. मतलब उसके बाद मुझे मजे आने लगे in like making videos, filming them, editing and all. ये वाला learning phase for me was this another kick to my creativity. I hope you are getting it. So that's exactly where I began. So 9th class happened and then I came to 10th grade, and mind you मैं किसी को भी नहीं बताती थी that I have a YouTube channel या मैंने कुछ start किया है या मैं कहीं videos डालती हूँ. मैं कुछ भी नहीं बताती थी. Not even in my school या फिर family members में भी मैं बैठ रही हूँ तो मैं नहीं बताती थी, because I just felt कि that would make me a bit conscious and फिर मुझे सोचना पड़ेगा that oh these many people from my surrounding are watching me and मेरे को थोड़ा conscious होकर के वीडियो बनाना पड़ेगा. So I was just like let people not know anything, वो ज़्यादा better होगा. तो मेरे एक आध friends को पता था बस. Somehow people started discovering on their own that I post videos on YouTube, obviously through somebody or the other. and उस time पे जब मैं school में थी, I won't lie but I did face a little bit of bullying. मतलब not exactly bullying I would say, but there were people who used to just kind of make fun of things. I don't know should I take it in a lighter way, but उस time पे that thing used to affect me a lot, because initially आप कुछ भी start करोगे ना, you will always have this fear of judgment, and वो for some reason होता ही है. you know you get to get over with it time के साथ ही. तो initially मेरे को तो बहुत hit होता था that oh people are like mocking at me, they're seeing my videos and मेरे बारे में ये assumptions बना रहे हैं and whatever. 10th class happened entirely. मैंने करा था तभी अच्छे से YouTube, थोड़ा बहुत तो किया था मैंने, I remember, but then cut to 10th के बोर्ड्स वाला टाइम. so उस टाइम पे मैंने almost 4 महीने के लिए अपना चैनल कम्प्लीटली शट कर दिया था. लाइक आई डिडंट पोस्ट इवन वन सिंगल वीडियो एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, क्योंकि आई हैड ऑलवेज बिन दिस टॉपर किड. आई वुड यू नो अग्री टू दैट थिंग्स. लाइक स्कूल में अकेडमिक्स वाइज मैंने हमेशा ही अच्छा करा था, एंड तभी मुझे ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं चाहिए था दैट कोई मुझे आकर के ये बोले दैट ओ आई वाज जस्ट मेकिंग वीडियोज थ्रू आउट दिस टाइम, तो मैंने अपनी पढ़ाई नहीं करी और इसलिए मेरे मार्क्स अच्छे नहीं आए एंड दिस एंड दैट. सो आई वाज जस्ट लाइक लेट्स जस्ट पुट दिस थिंग असाइड फॉर अ व्हाइल. 10th will happen and then I will just bounce back to you know making videos and everything. I will have a lot of time then. Barely did I know what happens after that, but yeah I just left it for a nice 3 to 4 month. मैंने छोड़ दिया था एकदम. उस टाइम पे भी मेरे hardly 6-7 के सब्सक्राइबर्स ही थे. I didn't have a lot of people who were there, but मेरे को फिर भी बहुत पसंद थी अपनी प्यारी सी छोटी सी community, because you know उस point पे भी I was just like why are these people loving me, like ऐसा तो मैं क्या ही कर रही हूँ जिससे आई एम गेटिंग सो मच ऑफ लव. लाइक इवन दोज 1-2 कॉमेंट्स दैट आई वुड गेट जिसमें इतने सारे अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें लिखी होती थी, आई यूज्ड टू गेट सो हैप्पी जस्ट रीडिंग दैट. तो मेरे दिमाग में तो था दैट आई हैव टू बाउंस बैक नो मैटर वॉट. मेरे एग्जाम्स हो जाएंगे एंड देन आई विल बी गेटिंग बैक टू दिस होल थिंग वंस अगेन. सो देन 10th बोर्ड्स हुए एंड देन मेरे रिजल्ट्स आए. 10th में आई गॉट 95% 96 मान के चलो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली, एंड आई वॉज जस्ट सो हैप्पी बिकॉज आई वॉज देन लाइक कि चलो मेरा सैक्रिफाइस कुछ तो काम आया. नाउ आई विल बी लाइक ओके आई डिड यूट्यूब एज वेल एज मेरी पढ़ाई मैंने अच्छे से करी. तो हाँ, देन 10th हो गया एंड व्हेन आई वाज इन 11th आई स्टार्टेड बैक टू मेकिंग कंटेंट एंड तब आई डिस्कवर्ड दिस न्यू शॉर्ट्स फीचर दैट हैड कम एंड मैंने स्टार्ट किया टू पोस्ट शॉर्ट्स. आई स्टार्टेड आउट वेरी रैंडमली. ऑनेस्टली मेरे को कोई आइडिया नहीं था. मेरे चैनल की रीच, एंगेजमेंट वो सब के सब dead हो गई थी. So I had to start from scratch at that point. I was doing every single thing in my hand, okay, for like about 2 months. I was posting regularly. मैं हर एक चीज़ कर रही थी and I was trying to get all those influencers and content creator wise because जब मैं 11th में आई थी ना, content creation actually started to become a thing then. Means a lot of people जिन्होंने lockdown वगैरह में start किया था, they started to get fame and everything. I too was then fascinated कि चलो अब तो we will be doing something very nice out of it. And that was the point जब मुझे मेरा पहला iPhone मिला था. I got it as a gift from my dad because I just scored so well in my 10th boards. So yeah, and जब आपको नया नया ऐसे iPhone मिलता है, you get a good camera, you actually start to get the feel. तो मैंने सब कुछ करना स्टार्ट किया एकदम कंटेंट फोकस्ड होकर के. बट फॉर सम रीजन आई वाजंट जस्ट सीइंग एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ ग्रोथ. इसके पहले माइंड यू मैं चीज़ें कर रही थी बट आई वाजंट दैट ग्रोथ सेंट्रिक या मुझे कुछ बहुत तगड़ा करना है इस चीज़ से. आई डेंट हैव एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ दैट थिंग इन माई हेड. बट इस पॉइंट के बाद आई एक्चुअली सॉ पीपल अराउंड मी एंड आई स्टार्टेड टू थिंक दैट way as well. So 11 just passed by, nothing much major happened. I was just doing fine with my subscribers and everything. And this one turning point came 12th के starting में when one of my shorts just boomed. It got somewhat around 2 million views. And उससे my subscribers started to increase rapidly. With the boom in that video, something inside me also boosted. उसके पहले मैं बस ऐसी थी कि मैंने सब कुछ ट्राई कर लिया, nothing much is working for me. I think मुझे इसको हॉबी की तरह ही कंटिन्यू करनी चाहिए जैसे मैं कर रही थी. I shouldn't do much about it, But then that one video turned something in me because I think मेरे 15k से something 30-40k subscribers हो गए थे at that point. And obviously मैं बहुत खुश थी. Cut to November 2024, I hit a 50k subscribers. Then I celebrated it with my family and everything. And उसके बाद 12th happened. 12th में मैंने boards में नहीं छोड़ा था content creation. I had done that. अब मैं थोड़ी सी serious हो गई थी about this thing as well. So I just continued everything, manage करके somehow. So 12th happened. Then I just came to college. And मेरा first year of college भी खत्म हो गया है. And now today, 5th of June 2026, I just did hit 100k subscriber here on this channel. All this thing, the entire journey, I have never ever spoke about it here. कभी भी मैंने नहीं बताया that how it all began and how it happened. But then that's how it started. And if you don't know, initially I had my channel named as D Vlogs. It was not Dhani. So Dhani I've changed like 1.5 years back when I got to know about this another channel which too was named D Vlogs much before it was my channel's name. So I was like it won't be the most appropriate thing to put. तो मैंने उसको हटा दिया था and the best that I could think of at that point of time was on my name. So I just renamed it as Dhani. Okay, so that was about my journey that I felt upon sharing it with you all because you all deserve to know it. And today I genuinely want to say this out to you guys. I always say this and ये नहीं है कि मैं बस बोलती हूँ. I genuinely mean it. I cannot be enough grateful for each one of you. You somehow have been such an important part of my life. You guys have genuinely played such a huge role in shaping me as a person. The person who I am today is a lot because I had you guys all through this time. I have somehow or the other lived my best and my worst kind of days along with you guys. I may not have shared everything that openly with you, but you were just a part so silently. And today I genuinely want to say you that I am just so grateful for each one of you. I cannot just thank you enough to all of those who have just shown me support as if they just know me personally. It's such a huge thing. It's such a great feeling to have. But yeah, thank you for always sticking around with me. This though is just the beginning. I feel now we have a long way to go. And I'm just so super excited to hold my silver play button right here with me. Yeah, that was everything I had to tell you guys about. That was everything that I could as of now speak to you guys about. I will be doing a 100k special Q&A and a 100k special giveaway super soon. You guys have to stay tuned for all of that.